In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on your Remitly account. To get started, open your Remitly account on your device and make sure you're fully signed in. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to look through the menu options so you can easily find the account settings. If this is your first time updating your payment information, don't worry, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few moments. After you've opened your account, click on Manage. This section is where you can review and update important account settings, including the payment options linked to your profile. It's a good idea to move carefully here so you select the correct menu item and avoid changing anything unrelated. Next, click on Payment Method. This area shows the payment methods currently connected to your account, if you already have any saved. It's also where you can add a new option for future transfers. If you plan to send money regularly, keeping your payment details updated here can help make future transactions faster and smoother. Once you're inside the Payment Method section, click Add Payment Method. This will begin the setup process for adding a new way to pay. You may see different options depending on your account or region, so just look for the one that matches the method you want to use. From there, click Card. This option is used when you want to add a debit or credit card to your Remitly account. After selecting it, you'll be asked to enter your card details and any other required account information. As you type, make sure everything is entered accurately. Even a small mistake, such as a wrong number or incorrect expiration date, can cause the payment method to be rejected or delay your ability to use it. Before moving forward, it's always smart to double-check every field you entered. Review the card number, expiration date, billing details, and any other requested information carefully. Accuracy is especially important when adding financial information, because correct details help protect your account and ensure payments go through without problems. Once everything looks correct, complete the process by following the on-screen prompts. After your card is successfully added, it should appear in your payment methods list and be ready to use for future transactions. That's all you need to do to add a payment method on your Remitly account. Follow each screen carefully, review your information before submitting, and your setup should be quick and easy.